Making money dropshipping in multiple currencies allows you to expand globally, attract international buyers, and increase sales. Here's how to set up a multi-currency dropshipping business. Choose a multi-currency e-commerce platform. Use Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, which support multiple currencies. Enable a currency converter app to display prices based on the customer's location. Work with global suppliers. Choose suppliers from AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or S-Pocket, which support international shipping. Ensure suppliers list prices in multiple currencies or offer flexible payment options. Accept multi-currency payments. Use payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Wise, or Revolut that support different currencies. Enable auto-conversion to avoid currency fluctuation risks. Optimize pricing for different markets. Research local pricing strategies to remain competitive. Adjust pricing to account for currency exchange rates, shipping costs, and local taxes. Target international audiences. Run geo-targeted ads on Facebook, TikTok, and Google Ads to reach different regions. Offer customer support in multiple languages using AI chatbots like TDO.